Hello guys, welcome to our channel Data on Tour. So here you are going to get the IT field and non-IT field job information. By sitting in a home you can be applied by seeing our information. If you want to get every information in day to day, then you must be join our Telegram and WhatsApp. In that we are going to provide you every information. So guys, let us start without any wasting our time. So guys, today's company is Wipro. So let us see in detail about that whatever they had been mentioned. Wipro requirement 2022-23 drive for freshers. So let us see in detail about that all. Here they had been mentioned about their company. So go through it guys, you will be get one idea of their company. So let us see what are the requirement for placement. Company name Wipro, post name WILP. Then the salary is 23k for month. Experience 0 to 1 year. You might be a fresher, even you might be have 1 year of experience. Then the job location across India. Batches 2022-23. So this batch, 2 batch people can be apply for this company. Bond is for 6 month guys. Then the last date to apply 10 October 2022. So fast, as much as fast you must be apply before date had been expired. So here they had been mentioned job responsibilities: analyze, develop, design and maintenance software for organizations, product and system. Perform system integration of system, develop, validation and test. So let us see eligible criteria: 10th standard pass, 12th pass, graduation 60% or 60.0 CGP and above applicable by university guidelines. Bachelor of Computer Science BCA, Bachelor of Science BSc eligible. Stream computer science, information technology, mathematics, statics, electronics and physics. Your passing year must be 2023 and 22. So these are the points they had been mentioned for eligible criteria. Even they had been given a lot of points in perfect skill. Mandatory to have study a core mathematics as one subject in graduation. Business math and applied maths will be not considered core mathematics in graduations. So no gaps are allowed in graduation. Graduation should be complete within 3 years. So go through it guys. Every information you will be get one by one points. So I hope you had been got all the clarities of the today's company. Even they had assisted details. So go through it. What are the other benefits you will be get to know. How much they will be considered around and what are the requirements. I hope you had been got all the clarities about today's company guys. So thank you.